Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I'm giving you demonstration how to send money using Paysend application, and this application available on Android, iOS and laptop desktops as well as you can send the money overall 80 countries worldwide. The online money transfer platform for Paysend is a faster than compared to other application. Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So first of all, open your browser and same process you can do in your Android or iOS phone as well. So let's start. Directly type here Paysend, enter. So I am putting this link in video description as well. You can click on that particular link and directly open the Paysend application. So look at this here. This is a Paysend application platform, and right now they are updating online 90 countries around in the world. You can send money directly on. You can send directly €2 as well. So first of all, I'm sign up on that platform because I am new here. So I'm adding here my mobile number first, 9072365, and continue. And then after, tell us about yourself. So I can type here my name directly, Sangram Singh, last name, and my date of birth like in 15th071987. Continue. Country is Italy, and residence street apartment 5, city Rome, postal code 0015. Continue. I'm adding here my email address. So like I'm type here my email address. Continue. I'm receiving one OTP on my mobile number. What I register exactly there, I receive the OTP and I type here 634, and then confirmation email address. Continue. Confirmation email address is correct. So I am receiving the email kind of for the confirmation or not. Just I am checking my mobile. Got it. After some times I am confirming this email because of I am not receiving any kind of email yet after some times. So now your personal information is there. Limit, you can decide your limit like in €1,000 basic limit. You can upgrade this limit whatever you want, like standard, advanced, unlimited, which types of. So I go with the basic information, notification, security. As usual, two-step security. You can on the two-step security using your password. It's a simple way. Which language you want, like in I'm selecting English, but a number of other languages also available. Even in Hindi language is also available here. Paysend bonus, some bonus are available. You can reach here, share and earn something. Bonus are available in this platform. Support, help center and log. You send the request on your account, so directly they are sending you on that particular link. You can link your ATM card or account here, just like a simply card or bank account number. So you can add here your card number, simply card number, expiry date, and add your card. So no need for repeat again and again card add situation. So send your money your friend and loved ones in 90 plus countries. So suppose for example I'm sending €10. So what exactly I am receiving in India? So I am receiving in India 889 rupees, and just where you want send, like from card or bank. You send the from card. You click here, send money. €1 charges. €1 price is a today's rate, because of this rate are changing every day. So today's rate is 88.96 INR, and you add here your bank, your Indian bank account. Which bank account you want send your family or someone else, add it here. Add your payment card, means Italian payment card I am storing here, and just simply continue and send the money as a. And after 5 minutes you receive the same amount in your Indian account or any other country's account. It's very simple, and no hidden charges are available here. That one is important. Like here, look at this, free of cost, no charging fees are available. So Paysend application is more suitable or convenience for other application. And you receive only one business day, means Monday to Friday. You send your money Monday to Friday in between, and you receive same day this price in any country. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.